One Jeep that has a presence here at the Truck Hero booth is this one, and it's not because it's lifted on a boulder, it is because it is an eye catcher, it is something different, and it's bigger and better than probably we've seen at the SEMA show altogether. I'm Katie Osborne, alongside me is Mike from Superlift. Why is this one getting so much attention?
Our engineers knocked it off the park. We've been wanting to do this for a long time. We originally owned the Black Diamond name and we've had it forever. It's just kind of been in the closet, so we knocked the dust off it, and you know, with the support of Truck Hero, and I mean, this Jeep is the talk of the show right now. From the fenders to the suspension to the King Edition shocks. Our engineering staff knocked it out of the park. We built everything in-house. We wanted to make a statement with our suspension, and obviously we did.
You absolutely made a statement, and as I've been meandering along the Truck Hero booth today, people have been coming over and taking photos. You can see that this is really the talk of SEMA in this market.
It is all over the forums right now. Guys are asking when they can get it, from the bumpers to the suspension to the rock slides. They're asking, and they're on the forums. I've got guys coming up asking questions, who they can call, and so on. So most of the stuff will launch next year, mid next year. Suspension will be first, and then we'll start laying in some of the accessories.
Where do you really see someone using this Black Diamond edition out in the real world?
This kit on this Jeep, this is your everyday weekend rock guy. I mean, he is in Moab, he's in you name it. I mean, anywhere he can get his Jeep dirty or try to break it, that's where he's going.
Oh, that is so cool. We're so excited to hear about the launch of a Black Diamond here this week at SEMA. Congratulations to you and your team. If you're at SEMA, come and check it out here at the Truck Hero booth. Of course, you can always get more details at truck-hero.com.